Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Camelia. Today's video, honey, I'm back with another review. I am going to be reviewing today Maybelline Tattoo Brow, which is sort of like an easy peel off eyebrow tint. Now I may be late to the game with this product, but honey, if there was ever a time that we needed products like this, it would be now. I mean, we're in the third lockdown and we're just trying to keep it together. So I am here to review and just see how good it is. If you guys are not familiar, I like to review little beauty products and, you know, buy things off Amazon and talk about them. So yeah, my last eyebrow review would have been with Isla Dye Brow. If you haven't seen that video already, I will link it above here, and you can go and have a watch of that video. But basically this is just going to be a review. I'm going to try it out and I'm going to speak about my experience using the product, and then you guys get to see like whether it does what it says on the tin prior to purchasing. I'm not going to talk too much. Subscribe for the ride if you want to. Let's get into this video. Right, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put the actual Maybelline Tattoo Brow on the screen. As you can see, I've got a bare face because I'm actually not going anywhere tonight. So I'm actually not going anywhere like the rest of the UK. So I haven't got any makeup on. Just I'm having a little breakout, but that's for another video. So this is the box that it comes in. This is supposed to be a tattoo brow, so you would apply it to your eyebrow in the desired shape, and then you would leave it to dry for 20 minutes and then peel it off. So yeah, we're gonna do that. I did get mine in black brown. I believe that was the darkest color there was. I'm actually gonna do, I decided I'm gonna underline. I'm actually gonna do the shape of my brows before I attempt to draw them on. So I'm going to clean the area because I am a moisturizer user. One of my eyebrows already seem darker than the other. I am unsure why. Like I seem like I've got more darker eyebrow on this side than I have on the other side. So now I've cleaned the area, I'm gonna go in with my brow pencil and I'm literally just gonna go underneath my brow because I just want to give myself a guideline. Okay, so don't stress too much about the shape of your eyebrows, because whenever I'm doing anything to do with my eyebrows, I always remind myself that eyebrows are sisters, they are not twins. Okay, so we're going to try to get them as perfect as possible. There's no such thing as perfection. Okay, right, I believe I have got them as close as I could possibly have gotten them. So it's got some instructions on the side there, and it's just literally showing you how you would put it on. Okay, and I will put it on the screen for you actually so that you can see better. This is what you get. This is what it looks like. So this seems to be like a little brush that you get here. Let me see if you guys can see. So this is like a brush, as you can see. Here goes. Okay, maybe we should start here. So I'm gonna start here. Hopefully you guys can see. It's like a kind of like sticky-ish kind of product. So this is the first brow done. I have come in quite a bit there, but that's, if you watch my last video, you know I like my eyebrows to be jet black. Don't judge me. It's because it's called Tattoo Brow, why it makes you feel a little bit, I mean, I feel a little bit more nervous about, I'm used to doing tint like the ordinary tint that you saw me do the eyeliner dye brow tint. I think it might be the name that makes it sound a little intimidating. Something, I think the name, it sounds a little bit permanent, you know, so it is a little bit more nerve-wracking trying to apply this product. Oops. These are the brows. They're looking a little clown-like. I'm hoping they don't stay clown-like. Whenever I do these product reviews, I haven't tried the product prior, so literally this is real time in that you may not be getting it live, but you are getting like a real reaction, because I don't know how this is going to turn out. I can say it's already working because I went a little bit too high on this brow and then I tried to clean it and it just wasn't having it. I could see color there already, so it looks promising in terms of color. So I'm just hoping that it's not going to look crazy. And if you did watch my eyeliner dye brow video, then you know that I love my eyebrows to be jet black, and I have quite an oily T-zone anyway, so I do believe that the areas which may seem really dark are gonna push out really soon. So this says it lasts for 3 days. That's probably about a day and a half for someone like me, so I'm not too concerned. The darker the better. I love my eyebrows because they shape, I love my eyebrows to be dark because they frame my face. They frame everybody's face, like eyebrows are everything. But yeah, so anyway guys, it says to leave this on for 20 minutes. I'm going to do that. I'm going to give you a close-up. This is what we are looking like at the moment. And yeah, 8:20, I will be back and we are gonna peel it off together and see the final result. See you in a bit, guys. So okay guys, so it's literally over the 20 minutes. That's mainly because when I came off of camera I was tweaking a little bit and reshaping a little bit more, so I needed to make sure that it was definitely dry, so I had to leave it a little bit longer. But if you look closely, you can see it's already starting to come away, and I'm actually a little bit scared because it looks really dark and it looks like boxy. So what I am gonna do is I'm gonna take it off and let's just see what the final result is. I'm not gonna lie, I'm actually shook. So yeah, anyway, let's start the process. Let's start. So oh my god, actually, and it's not even painful, guys. Wow. This is what we are working with at the moment. This is what it looks like. It wasn't painful at all. It literally comes off as a whole thing. And what a good product. Look at that. Literally. Okay, so this is what we're looking like. I'm actually really scared because these look really boxy, but I am going to clean them up a little bit after. Guys, oh my god, this has to be the best product. Now, I know it looks a lot. I know it looks a lot right now, because literally it is the shape that I did and it's that dark and that perfect. This is amazing. For someone like me, I just love this. But anyway, let me peel off the next side. Wow. look at these brows. I know they look really dark, but I low-key love how dark these look. I am going to clean them off. So, and I'm going to see if it really makes any kind of difference. I'm probably going to clean a little bit around the front area. I mean, I say the front, but like towards the front. Okay, it's not so bad where I can look around there. Just going to clean up here. Guys, I absolutely love this product. I love this product. I love it. I love it. I love it. Eyelid Dye Brow. We may have some competition here because this product is absolutely amazing. And even though technically it's supposed to not last as long as the Eyelid Dye Brow, this looks absolutely amazing. Guys, look at these brows. Now remember before my brows were quite, one was darker than the other, but look at these brows. I absolutely love these. I want to get a really good, I am loving these brows right now. I want to be in the light where you can see. If I move back, you can actually see better. But look at these. I'm really, really, really happy with this. I'm not going to lie. Like, all in all, I'm sorry, Eyelid Dye Brow. I think you have, like, a good competitor here. You saw how they looked prior to me cleaning them, and the fact that it is really taken, I'm really surprised like how much the product really took to the area. And you can see I've got a tail there. It's very subtle now. It's not as like, it's not as dark as it was a little while ago, because I did kind of clean them off, and that's because they were looking a little boxy, and I don't want them to look boxy, but I do want, you know, definition of brows. This definitely gives you the illusion, not just the illusion, but I mean it gives you the illusion where there is no hair, that you actually have brows. I am really, really happy with this product. I would be interested to know what you guys think of the final result. I honestly feel like hands down this kind of beats the Eyelid Dye Brow, and I love the fact that it's convenient in that it comes in just this little container, this little thing here, whatever you would call this, and it comes, the brush is made so that it's just the right thickness, and it's sturdy enough that it kind of doesn't go everywhere. I would definitely recommend that you outline the shape of your brows that you want them to be prior to applying this, if you haven't got that much of a steady hand. I found that it did help me, even though, like I said, if I wasn't filming it, I probably would have gone freehand, but I'm kind of glad that I didn't, because it actually takes really, really well. And this is like me, this is after me wiping it, you know. So yeah, guys, you can see they're looking natural, they look lovely. The product absolutely works, and it works very, very well. This is going to be one I'm definitely going to add to my beauty quarantine regime to keep me looking, you know, tidy, and like I actually have brows that grow out of my head. But yeah, guys, let me know how you feel in the comment box below. This was the Maybelline Tattoo Brow Easy Peel Off Brow Tint, and these are how my brows are looking. I'll come closer. Okay. I absolutely love these. Okay, so if you want to purchase these, I believe you can purchase them online. I did purchase this product from Superdrug online, and another product that you will see me reviewing straight after this one. It will be the next video that I drop after this video. So yeah, I did order this from Superdrug online, and I believe you should be able to sort of pick it up from any kind of pharmaceutical or like Boots or Superdrug, any kind of place like that that does makeup already. You should be able to get this product. I think I'm actually gonna, this is definitely gonna have to be one of my go-tos from now on. Now that I know kind of like how intense the product is in terms of color and really sitting on like on the skin, I'm definitely gonna go in a little bit lighter next time here, and then maybe concentrate more here. But all in all, I'm very happy with the outcome. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for the ride if you want to, honey, and I will see you in another video.